Miss Tordicilia.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you apply for this job?
Because I have knowledge and I know I am qualified for this job, and I also want to earn experience and to support my financial needs.
What do you know about this job?
As well as sir in your office, I see you have your computer maintenance, computer operator, and finance skills in your office.
So why did you choose this career?
I chose this career because I am so interested in computers, and I also want to earn knowledge about the different techniques about the cyber world.
Give me reason why should I hire you.
Um, it's because I went to apply my skills and knowledge in your company. Also, I am packed with knowledge. As what you see on my resume, I was graduated as one of the computer students in college, and I also want to. I know I can do the work that you have.
What accomplishment gave you the greatest satisfaction?
Accomplishment when I was graduated as an honor, and when I was titled as one of the competent student in our computer technician subject.
What was your worst mistake?
The worst mistake is when I hurt my mother emotionally.
So what would you change in your past life?
If I have given a chance to change my past life, it is the time and moment that I hurt her.
What work do you like to do best?
Computer operator.
How about your goals?
My goals to be successful in the field I chose.
And how do you plan to reach them?
Um, through hard works and determination, and to be good in my job.
So what do you hope to be doing in 5 years?
To be still part of this company.
I'll call you.
Okay, ma'am.